Okay, for number 15, they want us to solve. So for A, right, let's do A here. M over 6 equals 15/18. Again, you could cross multiply, but I think it's easier in this case to see what they're doing. They're multiplying the denominator by 3, right? So that means to go this way, I'd need to divide by 3. So m comes out to be 5, right? M equals 5. I think that's easier for these problems, but again, if you want to cross multiply, you can. For B, we have pi over 7 equals a over 4. So clearly we're solving for a, right? So I can cross multiply, right? So I get 7 times a equals 4 times pi, right? So 7a equals 4 pi. And divide by 7, and I get a equals 4/7 pi, right? Or if you want, you could write it as a equals 4 pi over 7. Either one of those, they're equivalent ways of writing the same thing.